Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, and I'm standing right in front of the Whirlpool washer WTW 5057. What's cool about this washer is that it has a 2-in-1 agitator, so it's actually removable. So if you have a larger load like a comforter, or if you've got some larger rugs or just a large load and you want to remove the agitator, it's really simple to do. You put your hand in between the opening, and there's actually a pull-up button right below the top of the agitator. So you'd lift up, turn, and it just pops right off. So what you've got is you've got a much bigger capacity in your washer. So for those people that want that extra capacity, you have it. But if you need that extra cleanability that an agitator will give you for dirtier items, and you need to get that better wash action, you can go ahead and put your agitator back in, and it's real easy to do. So what you do is, again, you're gonna grab the handle, okay? And what that's gonna do is it's gonna allow these points at the bottom to clip in. So we'll go ahead and grab that, lift, just push in and turn. And then what you wanna do when you turn it, get your fingers away from the middle of the agitator and just make sure it's on there tight. Because sometimes what'll happen is, if you don't hold it down and push, it'll never catch. So again, just push down, turn, you'll hear it click, and it's on tight. If you have any questions about this video or just anything in general, comment below. We'd love to hear from you, or go to donsappliances.com.